Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. So our topic for today is to solve the problem that we faced in the last video. So the problem is that whenever I try to duplicate this record, I get an error. Like let me go here. If I try to duplicate it, I get an a warning message that you cannot duplicate it because we have added a constraint that the title of two courses cannot be the same. So in order to re-implement the logic of duplicate option, we need to re-implement the logic of the copy method. So what is the copy method? So copy method is actually the ORM method which is being called whenever we click on the duplicate button. So in order to do so, first we need to keep in mind that there are a lot of ORM methods that are that has been built in the Odoo default code. If you want to check out, you can search for this on the Google or ORM methods in Odoo 16, something like this. So you can get this API, and here you can search for common ORM methods. So these are the different methods that you can search about, and you can read about it to understand the logic behind it. So this is the copy method that we will use, and its implementation. You can check the source code for it to see the implementation. Okay, let me show you. So here is the copy method. So what we will do, we will just implement this copy method, and we will make some changes to allow the users to copy the courses. So for this purpose, let me just define the copy method, and then we will return it with a super call. Why? Because super allows us to call the ORM method that is defined in Odoo source code. So let me just check first to see what is inside the default, and if this method is called or not. Method called. Okay, to see if it is working or not. This is the first thing that you need to check whenever you write your new code. So let me restart Odoo service, and then let me try to duplicate this one. So so it worked, and let me see the logs. So in the logs we see like the default contains none. There is nothing in the default, and the method is called. So this means that this method is working, and we have inherited it correctly. So default is actually a dictionary if it is passed from another method, but in this case it is not. So first we need to make like what we want to do in this method. So in this method we will modify the name or the course title. So like whenever someone click on the duplicate, we will add a text, like for example copy of the original name of the course. So whenever someone duplicate a record, it will create a copy of, and it will be added with the title. So this will allow the user to copy it. So for this purpose we will have to pass the value in the default. So default we need to make it a dictionary first, like this. So dictionary default, like whenever we want to make something like convert to a dictionary, we can use a dict keyword which will make which will convert it to the dictionary. And then inside the dictionary we need to update the value of the name field. So for this purpose what we need to do, we need to make a new name, and here we will add something like copy of, and copy of the original name. So here we will add string formatting. We can say like copy of what will be the default name, like this. Okay, and then we need to update the default So inside the default, we need to update it like this. Name equal to new name, like this. Okay, so as this default is already passed to the ORM with a super call, we can just restart it and we will see it has been implemented. Okay, so restarted Odoo service. Let me see. So it is restarted, and then let me go to courses, open it, and then let me try to, okay, sorry, let me try to duplicate, and we got an error. What is the error? So non-type is not extract-able. So, okay, so we need to make it a dictionary, or we can pass an empty dictionary. So if there is no value in the default, if it is none, then make it an empty dictionary, and then restart Odoo service. Okay, so let me click the duplicate button to copy it, so you can see it is copied with by adding an extended text of copy of before the name of the course. So this is working, but this will arise another problem. Like, for example, if I try to copy the original course again, then you will get the same method, because the course with the name copy of Odoo 16 technical course already exists. So in order to solve this problem, what we want to do is to add the count here. Like, if this is the copy of the first one, then it should add 1 2 3 something like this, and it should increase with the number of copies. So in order to do so, we need to make changes in this method. So we need to make some further changes. So first of all, I need to find out like how many times it has been already copied. So in order to do so, we need to make a variable copied count, and here we need to use self.env, and then we need to use this model. So we want to search inside this model that to return the number of records with this name. So we will use another ORM method, which is search count, which will return an integer value of the number of values, and we can pass a domain to search some specific records. So here we will search for the records which name is something like this, equal to like, and it should be something like copy of, and then the name of the course, and then percentage. So there can be something else like the number of records value. So we need to something that matches this value, and there can be something else after that. Okay, so it will return 1 2 3, or if there is no record, it will return 0. So if there is no copied count, then just go with the implementation that we have already done. But if there is copied count, then a new name should be re-implemented, and here we will add copy of, just make it like self.name, and then add counter here. Okay, something like this. Okay, copied count. Okay, so let me restart Odoo service, and let me show you how it will look like. Okay, so if we duplicate this one, it will create a copy of copy, and if we duplicate the original record like this one, so it added one in the end. So if I copy it again, it will add 2. So it will work like this. So this is like we have resolved the problem of that arise due to the model constraint that we have added, that the names cannot be the same for two courses. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please give us a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.